Hi, Pantone crowned ultraviolet as the color of the year 2018. I'll quickly show you how to use Color Cone to give your images an elegant violet coloring so you can create trendy images for your customer, your own campaigns, or for your stock portfolio. I'll start at the beginning by resetting all of my settings. First, I open the preset for the three-way color correction. I then select the middle neutral tonal value and select my desired color, which in this case is RGB 95, 75, 139 as my target color. As you can see in this area of the image, the middle brightness value has already been tinted violet. Depending on the distribution of brightness in your image, you may want to tint another range. To do this, you can use one of the brightness controls and hold down Command on a Mac or Control in Windows to move the tint towards the brightness range that works best for your image. For this particular image, I'll use the darker values. If you quickly deactivate the value point, you can see by how much the selected target color darkens or brightens the image. In this case, the violet tint darkens the image. I correct that via the target color's brightness. Use the radius control to determine how many color values surrounding the original source color will be tinted along. For this image, I select a value of around 120. Use the saturation control to set the intensity of the coloring again, depending on the desired effect. Now I like it. You can save the image to your hard drive or export your color correction as a lookup table to use it in another application. To show you how well the color correction works with the reference color, I copy the image to the clipboard and paste it in Photoshop. How much you tint the image is entirely up to your taste. I dialed in quite a lot of color to show you how well Color Cone maintains the image contrasts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you can see our videos when they come out. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.